Are you ready? Are you ready and prepared for any disasters or emergencies that might happen? Are you a youth from ages 10 to 19? Maybe you are interested in our Ready in the Middle program. This is a 2-session program that we're going to be having starting on July 16th. It's going to be about a 2-hour program each session. And we're going to talk about youth preparedness. We're going to talk about learning about the different dangers that might be out there, about making sure that your home is prepared for a disaster. Have you performed a home safety audit? Have you really gone around your home and helped your parents fix some of the things or make them aware of some of the things that could be a danger, especially during an emergency? Well, you can be one of those youth. You can learn how to be prepared. You can learn how to get ready. And you can join us for our Ready in the Middle program. It is free to attend this youth summer workshop that we're going to be having. Again, it's going to start on July 16th. You can go to the Person or Granville Extension website and you can register for this free 2-session workshop series that we're going to be hosting virtually this summer, so you can be ready in the middle.